This video covers the publication template and component, which are designed to showcase the published works of people in your department. The publication template and component may also be used creatively, for instance, to display podcasts or scholarships managed by your departments. We encourage you to think of the publication features flexibly and apply them to fit your department's needs. Let's look at a couple examples of how your LSA colleagues are using the publication features on their AEM sites. The Department of Film, Television, and Media uses the template and components to list several types of output in chronological order. Observe that the page title is Faculty Books, Films, and Installations, and each publication summary title, the dark gray bar, is the year of publication. We'll see how to customize these during this tutorial. Slavic Languages and Literatures includes a page titled All Publications, and the publication summary title is hidden. The Sustainable Living Experience page displays a list of podcasts using the publication detail. And the Sweetland Center for Writing showcases writing classes for international and multilingual students. So let's get started. The first step we recommend is adding images to the Digital Assets Manager, the DAM. The publication component reserves space for a photo intended to show a book cover, so we suggest you prepare an image of about 400 by 600 pixels, the same as a people profile, and add it to your site's DAM. Now let's create a publication detail page. Publications should be child pages of the personal profile page of the author. Create the new publication page by navigating to the appropriate parent page in the Sites directory. Select the template Publication Detail page and enter the title of the work in the title field. Click Create and select Open Page from the dialog box that appears. Here is a new page with the publication detail component on it. The next step is to add bibliographic information to the publication detail. You can also follow these steps to make changes to a publication that already exists. Click in the body of the component, avoiding the image area, and select the wrench from the toolbar. A window will open. You may leave it as is or switch to full screen. Enter the title of the work and the author or editors, etc. under Contribution. Next, let's add optional links. The fields More Info link and Purchase link can point to any page on the internet, not just shopping sites. Use them as they are intended and leave the override boxes empty, or customize the button text by entering it in the override box. If you don't have any links to add, the buttons will not appear in the publication detail. At the bottom of the publication detail window is a box marked Text. Paste a summary or abstract of the work into this text box. Save and close the component. If you're in full screen, you must exit full screen first and then save. Now let's give your publication a picture. Open the side panel, find the image you added to the DAM, and drag and drop it onto the image field. A page like we just set up is the first step to showcasing creative works of individuals in your department. The next step is to list a selection of their works together on one page. Recall what we saw in the beginning of this tutorial. Publications are usually listed on a departmental books page under the People section, but you can put a list of books anywhere on your website. Before you set up the page, consider the following. What will you name your page? Where will it be located? Create a new page under the appropriate parent page in the Sites directory. Use the Publications Summary template. On the Summary page, click the gray component labeled Highlighted Works and Publications. Select the wrench. To fill in the list, go to Select Publications and click Add Field. Then use the search tool, the folder with a magnifying glass icon, to locate the publication. Select LSA websites and then navigate through your site's directory to find the publication page. Select the publication title and click the blue check mark. Add multiple books by repeating the above procedure, or save yourself some work by using this shortcut. Copy the path for a work already in the list, then add a new field, paste the path into the publication field, and then click Search. Note how you don't need to start over at LSA websites to find the next book. Change the order of the book list with the up-down arrows to the right of the trash can. Click the check mark to close the window. The publication list comes with a default header, Highlighted Work and Publications. You can change it to say whatever works for your page, or you can hide it from view. Open the list with the wrench and add a title to the list in the field Heading Text. Hide the header by scrolling to the bottom of the dialog window and checking the box Hide Highlighted Work Header Text. One more thing you might want to do is list an individual's works on their people profile. Find their profile on your site and add the component Publication Summary to the profile. We suggest adding it to the wider drop zone below the image location. You will have to adjust the width of the component. Click anywhere on the component and select the double-ended arrow from the toolbar, and then use the blue dot that appears on the right side to drag the edge of the component to the full width. Add works to this Publication Summary component the same way as we previously discussed for a faculty books page. Technology Services is here to support you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email our help desk at lsatechnologyservices@umich.edu.